Do you want to make money just for sharing what you already know? If so, stay with me because it's coming right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I'm actually one of the few people who can pull one off successfully. Well, me and this guy. Now, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make my online niche, basically because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Bart, this is absolutely ridiculous. Stop the complaining. Go and look at my reviews. Seriously, the guy is so annoying. You guys agree with me, right? He's annoying, isn't he? Anyway, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thank you, Liz Lemon. That's such a sweet thing to say. She really is a sweetheart. She says the same thing every day, but it's always nice to hear. Now, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Hit that bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos, because frankly, subscribe means nothing here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, and let's get right into this. We are looking at a website called Just Answers, justanswer.com.
Answer me, please.
Yes, exactly. That's the point. Just answer already. Anyway, so it's called justanswer.com, and basically there's a whole bunch of different options here. You can see they have the basic stuff: tags, finance, lawyers, mechanics, stocks, blah, 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 etc., etc. But they do have more stuff as well. So you can actually see all kinds of different people here. There's people from all kinds of different types of topics, and you can go here and pay an expert to answer your questions for you. But of course, over here on my channel, we're looking to make money, not spend money. And so the nice thing is, instead of saying just answer, we can answer somebody else. So you can actually go ahead and go over here and actually go and become an expert. Just click over here, become an expert. And you can go and sign up, saying what category that you're interested in. Over here, category. You can pick any kind of category that you like, even just homework. You know, I mean, anybody can help with homework because everybody knows something about something, or pets, all these kind of things. You can go ahead and sign up, let them know how many hours you're available, put in your email, and that's it. It's pretty much there, you know. You can go ahead and do it. And if you refer people, you obviously get the $50 gift card from Amazon. And basically what's going to happen is once you actually go and sign up, you can start selling your services. People will contact you and say, hey, I have a question about this, that, or the other thing. Can you answer me? And if you answer them, then you get paid. It's that simple. And you can make some decent money here too. It's not, you know, like a dollar or two. We're talking like serious money. You can make $20, $30 for answering a question that takes you 5 minutes to answer. So it's a pretty cool website, and you can do it in your spare time. You don't have to do it full time. You can do this in your spare time. If people have questions, just go ahead and sign up over here, and yeah, that's pretty much it. There's nothing more to it than that, except for signing up and waiting for people to call and ask you questions. So go ahead and do it. You know, like, why not? It's free money.